Hello, painting peeps, and welcome. It's Kathleen from COZ Creations. Welcome to the No Bra Zone, guys. I am happy you are joining me. It's a rainy, gross day out. It's kind of cool, and I don't mind. Instead of working in the garden or running around, I'm down here, and I'm okay with that. It's nice when that happens every once in a while. We're going to be doing some painting today, and I am using some of my favorite colors because it's cool out, because fall is right around the corner, and I love the fall here. I love the fall up in Asheville, where we go often to look at the leaves in the mountains, but I'm getting more of my fall on. We are working today on a 12 by 36 Blick Premier canvas. Now guys, if you go to the Blick website and you look at canvases, the first thing that comes up is a little ditty about imperfect canvases. Now, I don't know what the heck that means because I ordered a bunch of these and they were like a third of the cost. One had a little smidgen over here, one, the plastic was broken in the back, but I paid pennies for these guys, and if they're imperfect, I don't know it, so you might want to check that out. Sorry, I'm getting text messages up above which are distracting me. Our base coat today is going to be Artist's Loft Black, and I plan on leaving a lot of negative space, and I plan on this painting hanging actually this way, but I can't paint it that way for you because half of it will be off camera. Our colors are yummy as can be. Guys, this warms my heart. This is just, oh my goodness, I wish I could paint this all over me because this is just the prettiest damn copper I have ever used. That is Golden Fluid Acrylics. That's the Iridescent copper, and I needed to thicken it up a little bit. Didn't want to compromise my color at all, so I have a couple of these that I bought on sale at Blick. So this is a heavier body. Same paint, same color, it's just a heavier bodied paint. So I added a little bit of that in there as my thickening agent. So because I wanted that color just to be the boss in this painting. This next color right here is also very yummy. I love this Rich Expresso by DecoArt in the Dazzling Metallics, but I richened it up and it is just so lovely. I added a few drops of the Golden Burnt Sienna to it. I did this color before in my leaf painting and I was so happy with it. Now this is fun, guys. I tell you what, these Colourarte pigments this time of year, oh my goodness, these are just absolutely delicious. That is Colourarte from their Bling It line, and this is called their Indian Spice. And just to fiddle, just to play, because it's half of the fun, I added a little bit of their Primary Elements Cinnamon Brown. And this created just a beautiful lush fall color. Look at that. I mean, oh my goodness, that is heaven to me. That is my jam. Now, a heads up on the Primary Elements. If you do not use their Polypore, their pouring medium, which is absolutely terrific, guys, it really is, the pigments will sometimes bleed. I'm okay with that. It happened to me in my leaf painting and I loved it. So I did not use the Polypore to mix these up with because I would love to see this bleed a little bit, and hopefully it will, and you will see what I mean. I will post a picture of the leaf painting so you could see where the Bling It Indian Spice bled into my base coat a little bit. And everybody was like, oh my God, how did you get that shadow? So it happens if you use these pigments. Now, if you use the pouring medium that Sweet Leslie created to go with the pigments, that does not happen. This right here is Golden Fluid Acrylics, and that is the Carbon Black. And this yummy color, it's in a small cup because I am all out of this. My goodness, it's time to go visit Blix. This is Golden Fluid Acrylics, and this is the Iridescent Bronze. Now, because my paints are a little bit fluid, because I'm using fluid paints for most of these and the pigment, let me tell you what my pouring medium is. I use my usual pouring medium, which is 50% Floetrol and 50% Golden Gac 800. Now, Gac is fluid, so my pouring medium is fluid, and I am using fluid paints. So I needed to thicken it up, and my favorite thing to do that with is the mix pouring medium. I keep it in a little handy dandy squeeze bottle. I put my PM in here, add my pigments to it, stir it up, and if I need to thicken it up, I thicken it up with mix. Let me get the bottle, guys. So I will also post a link in the description box. The description box, guys, is right here. I think it's on this side or this side over here. It's a little drop down arrow. You hit that and it gives you all the information you need. But I love this mix for my ring pours and when I need my paints a little bit thicker. And they're two local artists, and we need to support our local artists, guys. So give mix a try. It goes a long way. What else? I can't think of anything else. Oh, I'm almost ready for an auction. I've been varnishing, and Rick's been making frames, and I've been ordering frames, and everything is kind of lined up and ready to go. My question to y'all is, when should I do it? Should I do it on a Monday night? Should I do it on a Saturday afternoon? So if you would reach out, put in the comments, let me know what time you think it would be convenient to do this, and then I'm going to have to figure out how the heck I go live, and you guys need to promise me you won't laugh if I screw it all up. But I'm certainly going to try. So let me know what day and time you think would work best for you all. Put some tunes on for you, put some tunes on for me. We're going to get busy, guys.
Give me something, something good. I get wasted on the thought of you. Head is spinning, I can't move. Smoky eyes in a groove. No, I can't get you out of my mind. You're still with me all the time. Oh, how long will I have to wait? How long have we been too late? Now I wish that we never met, so that I don't have to try to forget you. Drifting away, I am drifting away. You're still with me all the time. Try to make it all undone. So it did.